Everyone wants to be rich. Everyone dreams about success, freedom, and living life on their own terms. But most people will never get there. Not because they can't, but because they never learn the truth about what it really takes to become rich. Getting rich has very little to do with luck and everything to do with discipline, patience, and mindset. While most people chase shortcuts, the wealthy build habits. While others spend money to look rich, the wealthy invest money to become rich. Becoming rich isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep, how much you learn, and how long you can stay focused. You don't need to born into money, you just need to stop thinking like the poor. Okay, let's talk about the difference between poor and rich mindset. The poor think about spending, the rich think about investing. The poor look for comfort and the rich look for growth. The poor blame their situations and the rich take responsibility and change it. That's the mindset gap that separates the 1% from everyone else. Discipline is the bridge between dreams and reality. It's what keeps you going when motivation fades. You don't get rich by doing what's easy. You get rich by doing what's necessary. Wake up early when others sleep. Work when others party. Save when others spend. Learn when others waste time scrolling. The world doesn't reward the lazy. It rewards the consistent. The people who become truly wealthy understand one secret. You must delay gratification. They don't chase quick money, they build long term value. They know wealth isn't built overnight, it's built over years of smart decisions. And while others look for get rich quick schemes, they quietly stack small wins every single day. Every skill learned, every dollar saved, every risk taken with wisdom adds up. Becoming rich comes with sacrifice. You will lose friends who don't understand your goals. You will face failure, doubt, and moments when giving up feels easier. But those moments build your character, and character is what builds wealth. Because success isn't built on money, it's built on who you become while chasing it. The truth about getting rich is simple. You don't need to be smarter. You don't need to be luckier. You just need to stay disciplined longer than everyone else. Most people quit when it gets hard. The rich don't. So, if you truly want to be rich, stop chasing easy, start chasing purpose, because when you master your mind, your money will follow. That's the truth about getting rich nobody tells you.